how am I gonna keep a baby? Like, what am I gonna do with a child? Like, you know who my father is?
That
You know
no
who Shadow is? Like, Shadow? You know.
That no have nothing to do with
So,
nothing. Spice, listen to me. If Shadow don't want it, me want it. We are go there. Me, listen. Me and you are gonna do this for your baby. Me,
girl,
the baby gonna have two mother. Look on that.
girl, we cannot afford it. Like, how am I gonna afford it?
Spice.
What am I gonna tell my father?
Spice, calm down. Listen, I'm here for you. You know, I'm not for worry. If Shadow don't want it, make Shadow want. Me and you will take care of the
I have to
baby.
get an abortion. Like,
What you say? No, girl. No, better you take that out of your mind completely. Listen to me. We're going to do this together. We're going to do this together. You understand? No worry about Shadow. If Shadow don't want it, me and you will do it, girl.
but
Me and
like,
you are going to do it.
what am I gonna tell my father? Like, what am I gonna tell him?
What you
know,
mean?
baby growing a belly. Like,